Here's some scissors here. So, this book vending machine was provided by the Education Foundation for us. I'm very excited that we get to have it. In case you don't know, the books are free. You just have to get a token. And there's different ways you can get tokens, and everybody here today will get a token. But one thing you can do is you can earn a ticket, and I'll have these for teachers. So teachers can give tickets out to students for whatever reason. Maybe they did something great, maybe they just needed a little pick-me-up. We're also going to have contests. The first contest is to guess the number of books that we have in the Odessa High School Library, the total number. Whoever gets the closest will get a token. So there's all kinds of ways that you can get tokens. But we're going to go ahead and get started now. And without further ado, Mr. Marquez, if you will do the honors. Yay. Awesome. Okay. First one. You want to be the first?
Sure.
There you go. So you can pick out a book there just to see how it works.
Decisions. Let's go with Lori Hernandez. I got this. So, it's 025.
Oh, of course it's stuck. Oh, no. All right. Perfect.
That easy.
Thank
That
you.
easy.
Yay.
Awesome.
All right.
Definitely want to thank the Education Foundation for providing our kids with this amazing resource. So thank you guys. Who's next?
All right. So up next, Sean Ruiz, representing fine arts through theater. Awesome. And in case I didn't say that, this book is yours to keep. You don't have to bring it back. It's unlike a library book. So, all right, next up. Thank you, Blaine. Here we go.
Did it go through?
What'd you get? 42. Not just a number. Very good. All right. Come on over. Thank you.
That's right.
Classic. Scary stories to tell in the dark. Very good. All right. Come on over. Which one did you get? Oh, there it goes. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, I think we have